Hello, my name is Jocelyn Russo, and today I'll be discussing how tampons should be free and easy access to in public restrooms. The Visit from Aunt Flo and Sharkweed, these are all creative names for your menstrual cycle. It's important for public places to provide menstrual supplies because for many, periods are unexpected and frustrating. I have dealt with this problem throughout my life and I want to see a change. I will be discussing the problem it causes of not supplying women with what they need for proper use of the restroom. Also, I will go over how we need to make tampons and pads free and easy to purchase in public restrooms. First, we need to look at the need for change. The problem is that it is normal. Every single woman has it, and the problem it brings are not discussed about enough. We don't have a choice, and we need tampons provided to us when we need to use a public restroom. This problem is more significant than people realize. There's about 7.5 billion people in the world, and approximately 50% of the world gets their period. We get it every 28 days, and the quality of life for those who get their period involves an anxiety-filled, disgusted, and awkward way of life. So listen while I give you a quick review about what I and most women experience every month. A brief history of the problem. In the United States, the average age of the girl gets her period is at 12 years old, but can be as young as 8 years old, and they continue to have their period until they reach menopause at age 51. If this happens to most women, then why is it so weird to talk about? Whether it is school, restaurants, or anywhere else, their restrooms will not provide you with the essentials you need. In Michigan, we are behind in providing these essential hygiene products, and we should. Second, we must look at the criteria the solution should meet. Solutions that could be a possibility and the best solution. The first solution is requiring any business owner to supply their restrooms with feminine hygiene products. We can definitely achieve this goal by bringing this issue to light, planning, and finally getting a law passed making it mandatory. Many women are on board. This is very much capable of happening. Some places like Scotland have already made achievements in the free tampons and pads in public restrooms. We need to make our voices heard, to make policies and laws, and to start the trend. Secondly, another solution to this problem is to make it mandatory for public restrooms that do not supply us with free tampons should have vending machines that works properly in the restroom. This is definitely practical and workable. Although this is not the most ideal situation because having to pay is a bit of an inconvenience, this is a capable and will solve the problem of having no supply of essential hygiene products. These machines that are placed in the restrooms should be only 25 cents, so it will also be affordable. Lastly, the final solution is that once we are able to get our bathrooms placed with essential needs, we need to make it mandatory for the establishment to regularly provide a proper amount of supplies. This is a very practical request of the establishment. No one wants to see all of our hard work to make it possible for tampons and pads to be supplied to them for places to not stock up on materials when they run out. This is a problem all of us women face, and it is a practical request. When using tampons, a woman needs to change it every 4 to 8 hours. That means a woman uses approximately 20 tampons for any given period. That average woman uses 11,400 tampons in her lifetime, and that's a lot of tampons. These feminine hygiene products allow a woman to go through her day, and that is what is desirable. Having your menstrual cycle is not desirable, and we definitely are capable of making tampons count as a necessity by talking about it. Making this happen is definitely affordable. According to Freeing the Tampon, an advocate for free menstrual products, estimates that it would cost less than $5 a year per user to provide tampons and pads in restaurants and schools and businesses. Now that we know some possible solutions, let me help you visualize the problem. Here's a hypothetical. Imagine that you're at a wedding in a pretty light pink dress and unexpectedly you get your menstrual cycle. You are not prepared because you are early, so you don't have anything with you and it's late at night, so all the stores are closed. Now what? Women go through like situational struggles just like this all the time. However, we can solve this problem in public restrooms if they just supplied us with the supplies we need. Finally, to reiterate the importance of freeing tampons in public restrooms, they should supply these products for free in restrooms. If not able to supply them free, they should be able to place a vending machine in the restroom for able purchase. And if using a vending machine, it needs to be checked regularly for functionality properly and if it is filled. These are real everyday struggles about being a woman. We are all human and we shouldn't be ashamed or embarrassed to discuss a normal bodily function. We need a solution to stop these negative feelings by providing our women with hygiene products that they need. Thank you.